Right now we are running the machine's Cat 40. It goes from 75 to 7,500. And what are we running at?
That was 1,500.
That was 1,500 RPM. 3,000. Machine is original paint. Has a 38 by 16 T-slotted table with 30 inches in the X, 16 in the Y, 20 in the Z. What's the RPM now? 4,500 RPM. Machine has a bi-directional 21 tool.
5,500.
That's 5,500. Automatic tool changer. Spindle is stopping. Simulating a tool change. Simulating a second tool change. Machine also has telescopic weight, covers all axes. That's your X. Your Y. And your Z, the third one. What are you doing? Machine also comes equipped with rigid tapping and expanded memory and a flood coolant system.